Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports live wallpapers, and you do that now. Check Android version and launcher compatibility. Next, download a trusted live wallpaper app or the media file you'll use, like an MP4 or GIF. Once done, open the app and grant storage plus display over other apps permission so the wallpaper can run. You're starting the process immediately. Don't linger on settings, just secure the file and permissions so the app can access and set the wallpaper. Now you import the media into the live wallpaper app and you'll see a preview editor. Select the MP4 or GIF and position it for your screen. Make adjustments. Trim length, crop to 16:9 or device aspect, set loop and playback speed, and choose frame rate for smoothness. Then configure preview quality and battery saver options. This reduces drain while keeping visuals. Once configured, tap Preview to confirm the animation looks right on your lock and home screens before applying it. Finally, apply the live wallpaper to your home screen, lock screen, or both. You'll be prompted to confirm do that now. If the animation doesn't play, reboot the phone or reopen the app and reapply. Make sure storage and display permissions remain enabled. If performance or battery issues arise, reduce frame rate or quality settings and disable background playback when idle. One quick troubleshooting tip. If it still fails, clear the app cache and re-import the file. That fixes most import or playback corruption problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.